Need to create closed captions for your videos as you're recording them? Then look no further than BigVu Auto Caption feature. Hey guys, it's Edie, your video and YouTube strategist. In the last video that I did, which was an overview for BigVu, I failed to mention that your videos can be automatically captioned even if you didn't create your videos using their teleprompter. So let me show you how to get started. Okay, so I wanted to quickly show you how you can record yourself unscripted and then have that recording get closed captioned. So once you're in BigVu, you want to click on the blue button in the center, and that's going to open up the opportunity for you to create a new project. So in this instance, instead of doing the first one, which is if you have a script, we're going to click on the green button that says Present Now, Unscripted, and then you're going to see me. So I can either leave this in portrait if I wanted, or I can actually send it landscape. So let's assume this is how I want to record. So if I'm not using a script, I can just wing it. I just make sure that I've positioned myself properly. I do what I've told you guys to do many times, is you get a cloth and you wipe the camera to make sure that it's clear of any dust and particles. You just position yourself the way that you want to. If you need to use a microphone, don't forget to plug in your lavalier mic. So this is my adapter to go into my lightning port. And then this is the mic itself that I would clip onto my clothing. I would probably usually have it underneath my blouse. I'm not going to do that for this particular example. And then when I'm ready, I can do the adjustment of the exposure and things of that nature, but I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just showing you how you can do your closed captioning. So essentially, I'm going to hit the record button, gives me a countdown, and then make sure that you turn off any notifications, which I did not do in this example, but you always want to make sure that you do that. And so I'm now recording myself. Now it's not showing on the screen, but I am recording myself. And then once I'm finished with this recording, all I have to do is hit the stop button. Once I've finished with the recording, I can then simply upload. I can click to upload, or I can click crop captions logo green replace. I'm actually not going to click that right now because it does seem to take a long time when you're doing it from your phone. So I am going to click on upload, and you can see that my video is being uploaded to the desktop. Well, it's being uploaded on my phone, but it's also going to be accessible on the web platform. So I want to show you what that looks like as well. And here we go. So this is the project that I just uploaded, and it says that it's ready. So it has rendered. It is now ready for me to do what I need to do on it. So I'm just going to click on it, which is going to open it up here. Now, typically, if you had a script that you were using for your teleprompter, it would be listed here. So what we're going to do is go over here to these three dots, and we're going to go to Add Captions. It's going to ask us the language. We're going to click on English, and you can see here it says Send Transcription and Captions Requests. So you have to wait a little bit. This is a really short video, so it shouldn't take that long. So what I'm going to do is you have to refresh, and you may have to refresh a couple of times. And I'm going to have to refresh again. And I'll have to refresh a third time. I'll show you what I'm looking for. Let me try to be a little patient. Okay, and there you go. So now you see up here, it has closed captions. You want to click on that. And this is now the closed captions that have been created. So you can come in here and edit, or you can actually go to the composer and edit if you want to do that. So let's say you don't want to edit here, but you want to open up the composer. You can open up the composer. It's going to ask you, do you want to automatically add the captions? You're going to say yes. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see your storyboard of your video right here, and you can physically go in here now and make any grammatical changes that you want. Obviously, If it's, you know, not spelling the word correctly, those are the types of things that you're going to want to change. You don't want to change actually what's being said, because then it's not captioning what you're speaking, what you're saying. You do have the ability to change how the look of this is going to be. So if you want to change that, you can click on any one of these templates. It takes a minute for you to see what it's going to look like. Let's just, the first one's usually what I like. What this indicates to you is if you want to highlight certain words on the screen, you just have to put an asterisk before and after the word. So let's say, for example, here we want to emphasize turn off. You see it turns yellow. Then let's say here we want to emphasize, we want to emphasize example. And then let's try to do the slash. Let's do that here. Let's use this. Turn off any notifications, which I did not do. And so that would make it blue. There you go. So if you need to do that, you can certainly do that within BigVu. And the great thing to know too is that you do not need to record the video in BigVu in order for it to do a closed captioning. And I've actually, let's save this and exit. This video is an example of one that I uploaded earlier, and it was a video that I recorded separately. I recorded it on my computer, and I then uploaded it and was able to add in the closed captioning afterwards. So that is a great perk and excellent feature that I wanted to spotlight here on Learn Video Creation Featurettes. So this is definitely a feature that's worth investigating and using in order to create videos for YouTube or social media. Want to start experimenting with BigVu? Click on the link in the description below to get started with their free 3-day trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this Learn Video Creation featurette. If you liked this video, certainly click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. If you want to see more featurettes on BigVu or any of the other products that I feature, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.